Hi guys, welcome back. Doing a 4-day camp out. Me and Baxter. We've got the pizza on. Got a new barrel barbecue in the week. So we're making the most of this. Just put a few logs on there, got some nice coals with a nice bit of heat, and I'm going to drop the lid. We've got pizza. How's that, Becky?
Looks lovely. Put some onions and sweet corn on it, didn't we?
Yeah, it's been chopping up. So it's a chili con carne pizza, so I'm going to drop this lid and happy days. Made a new wooden handle for it as well, because this was second hand. I picked this up from somewhere. I love getting stuff
free.
Yeah.
I love the handle though.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
So I'm going to spray it up with some heat spray. And we're going to do a little bit of shooting this weekend. We'll set some targets up. We're going to have a shoot off. Pound a shot in it, Becky.
I thought it was a whisper bar.
Oh yeah, we're going to shoot for a whisper bar.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Be my first time shooting, really.
Yeah, so
that new gun.
Becky's got a new rifle, so she's going to show that off in her video.
Yeah.
So Becky's going to just show you her setup. What
Yeah.
she's going to sleep in this weekend.
Well, I went for a tarp setup because it's raining. I wanted to still look out. And then I've got my blow up mat and my sleeping bag. And because it's quite damp, I put a ground sheet down. So that would be nice. And I kept the tarp quite low so it keeps the heat in. And I can always drop this front bit down if it gets really heavy, the rain. Yeah, that's my shelter.
It's a posh shirt you got on as well.
This?
Yeah.
You having a laugh?
You're looking quite posh
Am I?
behind that LCD.
Yeah, I got my new hat as well from Moses, wherever it's in the van, the Blandy. You get so annoyed when I say that. Oh,
Right.
and I got my homemade pegs as well.
Oh,
that I
homemade
made
pegs.
before. Look at them bad boys.
Yeah, they're pretty good, aren't they? Made them myself. Yeah, they come in quite handy, aren't
Yeah,
they? And then,
this isn't too shabby, is it?
right then, go on then, Becky, give us a little, you know the score.
I've got
give
the
us a
Oz
little.
tent.
Yeah.
Usually takes about 30 seconds to set up. You're a bit longer to take your time. And then, yeah, you've got a similar setup inside. Got your roll mat. You've got a different one to me, bigger one.
Yeah.
And then you've got your little pyjamas in there.
Oh yeah, pyjamas. Started wearing pyjamas now. I love wearing pyjamas.
And then you've got your pillow and your sleeping bag.
And a nice little rug there.
Yeah, you're nice. I like that.
Yeah.
Rug.
So,
And then you've got your books there.
yeah, little read when it's raining. What do you reckon then, Becky?
Yeah, it's pretty fancy, isn't it? Pretty fancy. I like this bit, so when it's raining you can sit under here. Got your
Yeah.
little stool. Oh, I didn't know it had a handle in there.
Yeah. Got that in the week, guys. From
Lidl.
Yeah, good old Lidl's.
Yeah.
Great stuff in Lidl's.
Well, we better get back.
Yeah, let's get back to the
pizza.
pizza. Sorry guys, but we can't share it with you. We would if you were here, but... Well, I want to check how this bad boy's doing. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, we put extra cheese on and that's melted lovely on there. And the onion. Becky's done a bit of barbecue sauce, so I think this is ready. Mouth watering.
Yeah.
That looks good, doesn't it? Oh, that's hot. Oh, yeah. It's the first pizza we've ever done as well, this is.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's got a nice crunch to it. I think Becky's going to do her own base. This is just a bought base, but it'd be lovely making your own.
Yeah, I really want to do that now.
Oh, yeah. Morning guys, we had a great night last night. Had a bit of shooting and then we done a bit of stalking. Got up, went for a walk. Becky's got the fires on. She's going to be doing pancakes today. So we collected some raspberries again, so that'll be really nice. A bit damp. Apart from that, it's lovely. I'll show you the fires going, we've got 2 going. So Becky's going to make some nice homemade pancakes. If you want to check that out on her channel, can't wait for that. So life's good up here. So these are our targets that we brought up with us. We've got a nice rabbit there, sprung loaded, so when you hit the centre it kind of looks like you've killed it. And the other one back there, so we're shooting these about 25-30 metres. This target's pretty good. Just duck so you hit them and they stick to the magnet at the back, and then you've got to hit the centre one. It brings them all back up again. So I really like shooting at that. And then further down about 50 metres, 55 metres, we set up a Coke can, put water in it to start with. So as you can see, we've had a few good shots at that. So we're getting kind of sorted up the camp. You know, it's lovely that we can come up and set up a bit of a target range and shoot. Like I said, we've been on our morning hike, 2-mile hike, which we do, you know, if you're new to my channel, we do that quite regular when we come up the camp. It's nice to stay fit, just get up, quick cup of coffee and then off we go. And that does Buster for the pretty much the whole day, with his little walk around camp as well, so great fun. And the Oz tent last night, beautiful in there. It's like a hotel. I normally sleep on the bed chair outside, but as it's a bit showery this weekend, I thought I'd bring the Oz tent. Keep out the rain. A few thunderstorms on the way, so if they're any good, I'll video them. Hopefully we get a nice big storm. I do like storms. The power of Mother Nature. I can't wait for these pancakes she's doing. Raspberry homemade pancakes. So how's the pancakes going, Becky?
Yeah, I've just got the mix here, my raspberries.
So you're going to show this on your channel?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be on the video.
The weather's turned a bit grim now, guys, so we got the fires roaring. As you see, Becky's doing a couple of little burnouts. So what are you making?
Burnout bowl. The
Yeah.
burnout spoon.
Oh.
Okay,
Were they being ready in time for dinner?
I doubt it.
Clever though, isn't it? Morning guys, day 3, real wet one last night, bit of thunderstorms. So come back off our walk, nice breakfast, bacon, mushrooms and boiled eggs. Can't say enough about this. This has been awesome, hasn't it, this weekend?
Yeah. We
Really
had burgers
great.
on it yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, really great little cook station. So kettle's on, look at that. Oh, it'll be boiling soon. Bacon's on, mushrooms is on. We've got boiled eggs in there. Look at this, guys. Feast your eyes on this, look. So that'll be going over onto the heat in a minute. 3-minute boil and they'll be lovely. Can't beat a nice morning coffee. So tonight's dinner, we've got beans, sausage and jacket potatoes. I'm doing the sausage and beans on the gas barbecue. So we've got this up here now, which is really nice. Bit of Lux electronic ignition as well. Over there I've got the jacket potatoes on the barrel. So we're having it a bit hard this weekend, aren't we, Bex?
Yeah, really hard. Don't think I can hack it.
So we've eaten quite well over the 3 days. Had a
Yeah,
nice selection of meals, haven't we?
it's been nice.
Really nice.
Been trying all 3 cooking devices.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite good cooking on all different appliances.
And it's finally stopped raining.
Yeah, so it's been really nice. But this is a doddle cooking on here. How many do you want, Becky? Yeah! So we're all packed up now. Nice camp out, 4 days. Really loved it. Really loved it, doing the shooting, bits and pieces. Enjoyed it, Bex?
Yeah, it's been great. Really
So,
nice.
till the next one, hey, counting down the days. Becky's away, I think, soon, and I think I'm going to plan a boat trip soon as well, down the river. So enjoy the great outdoors, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers. Oi!